Ka jingile kai cricket tournament jonggi khana red ki bhapo khat saus nem karta kabadai jonggi khana chenrang lapun kutno Mynta ka Sngi ke bala penile kai hamadani le kai jongko Shillong nongkhra Haribhoi district. Ya kene ka tournament latip kum ka inter district under 14 cricket tournament ya ka ba lapun long da ka Meghalaya cricket association bar lapun yat pat Haribhoi da ka Haribhoi district cricket association. Ki tim ki bala poi ha kene ka final ki kenthup ya ka Shillong Cricket Association persya ya ka North Garo Hills District Cricket Association ha ka ba ya ka nam ladu lara da ka Shillong Cricket Association da ka batam ya ka North Garo Hills District Cricket Association da henru pauran la yo ru banai da ki khusnam sha ki nong job ha kene ka Sngi lawan ban sakhi ya kene ka jingile kai da MLA jong jirang constituency uba sosteno sotun ha ka jingidon langru jong uba BJ Kharchandi ubadeu additional DC jong Haribhoi district unaba bhatra chaji ubadeu convener jong BCCI task force uba dipul rentathyang ubadeu vice president jong MCA Udruva Thakuria ubadeu treasurer jong MCA uba Petar McDonald Sauyan ubadeu vice president jong Shillong Cricket Association u Amit Singhania ubadeu secretary jong SCA uba Distar Marbanyang ubadeu president jong East Khasi Hills District Cricket Association uba Edi Shilla ubadeu president jong West Jaintia Hills District Cricket Association uba Reynol Kharkamni ubadeu president jong Haribhoi District Cricket Association u Obed Sangma ubadeu treasurer jong North Garo Hills District Cricket Association u Armstrong Sangma ubadeu chairman jong tournament committee ke MCA bat kiwei.
And I would like to congratulate the Haribhoi District Cricket Association under the leadership of Reynol Kharkamni. In any sports events or any activities, whatever we have the different committees, we may have tens, hundreds of committees, but without the active leadership of leaders, I think it will be useless, as to say, because we will not see as what it's happening out here. At first, I thought that Haribhoi District Cricket Association would not be able to run the tournament as such which we are witnessing today. But I see that I can see, and through the activeness of the President and all the members, and with the cooperation from the Meghalaya Cricket Association, we have seen that cricket in Haribhoi district also has developed. Kia jangkinong ket kam baro kapa lapinki aka jingmut jingperkat jong ki players kamtam mi ki kena hakani kadong Haribhoi ke jongi hakapalala pan organize ya ke inter district cricket tournament ngakit bok kerwiang ya ka Haribhoi District Cricket Association kumju ya ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ikan scam o agani ka jing yelekai ka pamata ka final labonong ba yiduna ki spectators lane kita kinongwan pikai Henry wadnum do jikaman don't lose hope even though there are very few spectators, but we are looking forward through your skill that you will be showing us today, that will attract supporters, will attract audience to come and watch the modern age of cricket.
ऐसा पूरा समझा पूरा चलेगा गुड गुड सिद्धार्थ वेरी गुड सिद्धार्थ